Welcome to the quiet English village of Bozeat, a hidden gem in Northamptonshire that many people pass by, but few truly discover. Located just a few miles south of Wellingborough, Bozeat is one of those places where time seems to slow down. The roads are calm, the air feels fresh, and the atmosphere carries a sense of traditional rural England that's becoming harder to find. As you enter the village, the first thing you notice is its peaceful character. There's no rush here, no noise of a busy city, just the gentle rhythm of countryside life. Stone houses, narrow lanes, and green spaces create a setting that feels both simple and timeless. At the heart of Bozeat, you'll find its historic church, standing tall for centuries. This church isn't just a building, it's a reminder of the village's deep roots, stretching back through generations. The architecture, the stonework, and even the surrounding grounds all tell stories of the past. Walking through the village, you begin to appreciate the details, the way sunlight falls on the old walls, the quiet gardens, the small touches that make each home unique. It's the kind of place where people still greet each other, where life feels more connected and personal. Bozeat may be small, but it has a strong sense of identity. It's not built for tourists or crowds, and that's exactly what makes it special. This is real England, authentic, unpolished, and peaceful. Just beyond the village, the surrounding countryside opens up. Fields stretch into the distance, and depending on the season, you'll see everything from golden crops to lush green landscapes. It's perfect for a quiet walk, a moment to think, or simply to enjoy the silence. What makes Bozeat interesting is its balance. It feels remote and calm, yet it's still close enough to larger towns when you need them. That combination makes it a unique place, ideal for those who want both convenience and escape. For content creators and travelers, villages like Bozeat offer something different. Not big attractions or famous landmarks, but atmosphere, mood, a feeling that you can't always describe, but you can definitely feel. If you're exploring Northamptonshire, don't just stick to the well-known places. Take a small detour. Visit somewhere like Bozeat. Slow down, look around, and experience a side of England that many people overlook. Because sometimes the quietest places leave the strongest impressions.